Hello guys and welcome to Instant Nerd. Today I will show you how to transfer USDT from Timekeeper to Telegram wallet. Okay, so first you want to open the Timekeeper app and then you want to tap on the USDT and you want to tap on send. You want to enter the address of the recipient and then you want to tap on continue. You can add a comment. So make sure that you double check the address if it's correct in order to avoid errors. So after tapping on continue, make sure to review the details of the transaction. So after pressing on continue, it will be sent directly to the Telegram wallet. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Please leave a like and subscribe.